guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Well, yes, my BMW has broken down. If you haven't already watched the video surrounding as far as what kind of issues I was having, I'll post that video up here at the top. You know, I go into, I'm having all these different bulb check issues. I'm trying to figure out what's going on because all the bulbs are working fine. I'll have hyper flash in the front, which, you know, I do have front LED turn signals with canvas and load resistors, so they shouldn't be hyper flashing, but I'm getting those error codes for all that. I'm getting all kinds of tail lamp malfunctions, whatever be the case, and then I'll get into the car, and then my left side turn signal will keep going off. It won't physically like turn off, it just stays on. So that was an issue. Well, after further diagnosing that problem, you know, with my Bavarian Technic scan tool, I found that the FRM footwell module, which is down here by the OBD2 port, is causing all kinds of fault codes. My buddy, My BMW, remoted in, tried to use ISTA Plus to try to figure out, you know, just to do some test voltages and all that. That was unsuccessful. We're trying to do that again. So I had to get another K DCAN cable that's coming my way, so that way I can, you know, have him remote back in. He's been very helpful with helping me with a lot of my kind of issues that I had over the last kind of, let's say, 8 months. So with his BMW Master Tech knowledge, we'll be able to figure this out as far as the FRM. You know, he just wants to double check it with his software to ensure that it is exactly that module that's going on, even though my BT cable is showing that those faults under that section. So any BMW tech technically wants to use their diagnostic tools just to ensure. So that's like a $500 part that's going to go on with my car, and we want to make sure that that is truly at fault before replacing anything, right? So as soon as I get my new K DCAN cable in the mail, we'll hook it up, we'll do another remote diagnostic and ensure that it's the FRM module. Well, I know some of you have already mentioned that's probably what the cause was, you know, so of course those that have called it out, you were right. Well, more information to come. Stay tuned. Thanks again, and as always, please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. See you later. Take care.